Oh my God. Oh, yeah, guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was having too much fun over here. Having too much fun with these fucking thumbnails. Uh, oh my God. Just when you think the bottom is in, every time you think the bottom is in, it tells you, we're going to go lower, dog. I'll show you in a second. I'll show you in a second. I just got to log into some accounts. Guys. Hey, guys. You see, guys? You see, guys? You see, guys? I didn't even let the DCA gang know that I'm fucking live. Fuck. You guys are so annoying. Fuck. These fucking thumbnails. Anyway, chat. One sec. All right. So I did this for the stream earlier. I actually streamed a little earlier, a little while ago. I don't remember what time it was. Oh, it was around, I started streaming around the 9 o'clock, the 12 o'clock hour, around lunchtime. And I caught, shit. I got on the stream and we just started, we already were dropping a fuck ton. Since when I got on the stream earlier this morning, 3 hours ago, we're down 600 fucking points. That's crazy. But I did catch this right here. And at the time, that was the 618. That was the 618 on a large time frame. The 4 hour, you could even say the daily. So here is the 4 hour. Here's the 618 on the 4 hour right here. Look, the next 4 hour candle. Look at this shit. It's just fucking dumping. We did bounce off the 786. If I go to the 15-minute, we bounced off the 786, but it was just a fucking temporary relief bounce. But it was a nice little pop there. I'll show you guys. Okay, guys? Thanks, guys. Like right here. Right here was literally the 786. I think the body of this candle. We wicked a little bit below it. And from there, we bounced 95, 120 points. But what keeps happening is anytime you think the bottom might be in, like this one was, this one looked more like the bottom was in, and then it fucking went lower. And then this looked like if the bottom might have been in because it popped 130, 140 points. And it looked like it was going to go back up, and then it just fucking dropped. So that's that. So I did get $320 for this builder account. For me to get, I did $551.92 yesterday. I got paid on Wednesday. I did $551.92 for yesterday's session. And then today I did $320.94 or 64. For me to be eligible for a payout, because of the 50% consistency rule, literally is based on what you do after getting paid, which makes it almost impossible to get a payout every 2 days on the builder account. It's almost impossible because you'd have to get the exact same amount. So just figure 3 days. But I need another $231.28. How hard can it be? I kind of wanted to get more. It's fucked up because when I got off the stream like I got off the stream around here. I think I don't remember. It was like around here, and I was like, and I didn't, or was here. I don't remember when. I wasn't on for a ton of time. Chat. But we did that. We did this. This is my take a profit a trader account. I didn't need to get $6. I could have lost $150. You know what I mean? But whatever. I won my flip. This is day 5. So these are officially passed now. Take Profit Trader Pro. Oh, well, these are Take Profit Trader test accounts. I don't know when I'll be able to activate pros. I'm not 100% sure. Sorry. Just fucking with my wife. Anyway, look at it. It just keeps fucking going down. It just keeps dropping. We are down a fuck ton. We're down 1,453 points, for almost 5%. And if you count the points, because I think we were up. Whoops. I think we were up. I think that's the spot. Whatever, I'll fucking fix it. It doesn't matter now. But I think we were up. Were we ever up at all? I don't think we were up at all this hold on. Where's the new session? This is the new session. Wait, what? This is the new session. No, we haven't. No, we literally have just gone down. And it started yesterday. We've just been going down all fucking day. 1,463. Chat. Hey, chat. What the fuck is going on here? And gold is down a fuck ton too. Look where gold's at. Gold's at an interesting spot. Gold's almost at a 786 from this low. This is the 4-hour chart. This low from fucking March 23rd. And this high from April 17th. But anyway, but I digress. Let me see who's on here. Let me make sure my screen is still being shared. All right, cool. We're still sharing over here. So, I did this too. But it wasn't until after I blew a couple. But whatever. There was one. Watch this. You want to see something funny, chat? Is my phone ringing? I don't know what the fuck is going on. You want to see something funny, chat? Watch this. Try not to laugh. This was the first attempt to get to look at that shit. Look. And then I blew the account because I was fucking annoyed. But whatever. We got one $1,500 up. We're up halfway. It won't matter if I could get this to if I could pass and get it to a payout. None of it will matter. And then these trade days, we'll see what I could do with these fuckers. I want to. This is what I want to do. I might get another lucid, but I want to trade these fucking trade days right here. Yeah. These are. I ended up going with the cheapest one, which is the 50K fast pay. Is it fast pay? Hold on a second. Wait. I'm logged in. I got to log out. Hold on a sec. Trade day. All right. All right. I got this one. The quick pay intraday 50K. See, because it's $62.50 and resets are $60. Yeah. Is it the best one of these three? I don't think so. But you know what? The way I'm trading, I'm probably better off. I don't know. I'm probably better off. I'm probably better off not getting one of these accounts because of how I've been trading, right? This is probably the best one though, just based on the fact that 4K, the buffer for an 80-20 split is 4K on trade day, no matter what, on any size account. So I don't know, but I'm fucking with these because I'm trading evals like shit. I'm still, even though I've gotten $4,700 plus worth of payouts since fucking May 21st, which is great considering how shit went before that. For a fucking 6-week stretch of time, I wasn't getting shit. I'm still doing dumb shit and blowing accounts left and right. So I'll stick with the fucking cheap one for now. And then I'll reinvest with a more expensive one. Oh! So anyway, who the fuck is out here? I'm sorry, chat. Too much fucking around. Too much fucking around. All right, let's see. Is the bottom in? Probably not. Probably not. Anyway, who the fuck is out here? We got Carbonite, Benjamin, Jay, Yash, Kenny, JC, Rick, Logan, JK, Pika Nashareka, Dark Cloud, TTA. NQ was at the 786 until it wasn't. This is basically the 786 right here, kind of. No, this is it right here. This is the 786. This is the 786, and we've dropped. Wait, what? We dropped like 40 points. But, I mean, the bottom could be in. I don't fucking know. I don't trust this shit. Brexit shrank the size of the market. U.S. consumer credit actually 20.733 billion. Forecast 17. Previous 24. Revised 22. Whatever the fuck that means. If the company can't deliver GPUs by September, then Google can end the deal. SpaceX. Google agreed to pay $920 a month. October, what the fuck is that? $920 million a month. SpaceX's cloud service. They have a cloud service? The fuck does that have to do with fucking outer space? Outer space. Nothing. Rafal, what up? P Shenanigan, Coach HID, PJ, GB. Did I get a lucid payout? No, I haven't. I haven't been close to a lucid payout for like a while. Rick. Really, it's been that fucking, yeah, I mean, fuck. Well, I'm sure Trump's fucking people made a fuck ton of money shorting this shit. Nayo. It depends on the prop firm, P. Usually, especially on funded accounts. I don't know about evals. Will we ever bounce? We just did right here. 975. That's a 75-point fucking bounce. Oh, I was about to mark it in. I swear. Gian Rich, Gadasa, Dimitri, Mad Max, Chase. Yeah, fucking crazy. It's crazy how fucking much we're down, but whatever. It needed to be corrected. No one was expecting a 5% correction in one fucking day, though. This shit is absolutely fucking bananas. Zach. Canute. Bullhead Mike. Hey, at least you did well on one account. Mike Coxsmall, what up? Mikey, what's the best deal out there? It depends on what you want. It depends on your trading style. It depends on what you're after, where you're at in your journey. I don't know. If you haven't taken advantage of Lucid's 50% off yet, you could get 50% off any account, any size, twice. If you've never bought a My Funded Futures account, you could get 50% off the pro accounts, I think they call them. You might even be able to get 50% off anything your first time. Apex is 90% off. They have the fucking 5-packs. They have the 5-packs, which is cool. And they also have no activation fee accounts now that you could buy 5-packs of. Chat. With the best code 0DayJ. Trade Day is 50% off right now. You could get you could be all in with a funded Trade Day account for as little as $62.50 on an account that you could get paid on day one and daily. That's pretty good. The fucking My Funded Futures Flex plans are always 40% off with the best fucking code. I think the Rapids are 25 or 30% off. I think we're going to keep going. Fuck. That's 36 points. This one candle. Oh. Oh, man. Damn. There it goes. See ya. Let's chase. Fuck. Let's chase. All right, that's up. That's 100 points. That's a 110-point bounce. Oh, my God. You piece of shit. Let's see if this level holds here. It won't because I'm in short. If I went in long, it would have fucking dumped already and made new lows. But whatever. We're just going to have some fun. Actually, fuck. That's 50 fucking points from here. We're not going to have fun. This is not fun. I am not having fun. AS. Tommy, what up, man? Bald Eagle, Bowser, Isaac, Blackout News Network, Maximus, Stephen Cox. They can't. That's cute, Carbonite, about putting data centers into space. Where are all the satellites? How come I never see a fucking satellite anywhere? Trading stocks. Oh, Trump's talking right now? Jesus Christ. He doesn't shut the fuck up. Queen of Trades. Yeah, well, trading stock, yeah, Bullinox 50Ks are $19. However, the activation fee is $148. So you got to remember that. They're not the best all-in deal, but they're a solid firm. Funded Futures family member fucking futures. DGen asshat. I guess we're not pulling back. Stock cards and bets. I know we're sweeping lows, but you know me. I like to trade like shit during power hour. It's my favorite thing to do. Because if I would have went long, I wanted to go long down here and I fucking pussied out. If I would have went long here, it would have fucking went all the way back down here. So I'll just buy new ones. I'll just buy new ones because I'm the GOAT of buying new accounts. I might not be the GOAT though. Someone was talking about how PW was bragging how he spent like $100,000 on fucking evals one month. So it could be worse. Let's see if I can blow the other 3 evals. Tony Gold. Hippie Farmer. Yeah, I know, right? Benny. Need to win game 2, bro. Look at this shit. What a fucking joke. Anyway, I'll just, well, I won't be able to. They don't let you get them right away. Markel, Miss Goody, PJ. Raffle some hex coins. What's going on with that? I keep hearing about this shit. And an old friend. And hex. Stock cars and bets. Cleve Taurus. We'll be buying new accounts real soon. Real soon. Jack Boom. Pine Tree. Hey, friend. Yo, man. I don't want to get ahead of myself, but Jalen Brunson's the fucking truth, man. Oh, Corey the phone trader. Shout out to Corey. He pulled a Brett Simba? Who did? There it is. Oh, now it's going to dump. Now it's going to dump. I'm so fucking good at this shit. I love it. I'm telling you, if I would have went long, it would have dropped. I'm telling you. Now it's going to, though. Look. Look at that. Never fucking fails. Never fails. No, I'm telling you, nobody does this better than me. Nobody. Nobody gets top ticked or bottom ticked better than me right after an account blows. Look at that shit. So my first one was 85. My second one was at fucking 36. 85, 36. So 10. Yo, look, I'd be green. I'd be green right here. I'd be green. Right about here. Right here at 10, I'd be green. 10, right? Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. And I would have $900 at this point. You can't make this shit up, how often this happens to me. Can't make it up. How bad you got to be? How bad do you got to be to fuck up that fucking bad all the time? It's all right. These are past now. I'm $230 away. Look at that bounce. 974. That shit went up almost 200 points. I literally blow accounts every fucking day. That's why I'm buying the cheap ones. And I'm not buying 5 at a time anymore. Carlos, what up? Vic. Yo. You love when I buy it? Stop hit. I don't know, Benjamin. You can't get any stupider than me, bro. PK. Oh, my God. What, you just kept trying to fucking catch falling knives? Jack Boom. It's fucking frustrating, bro. You took 27K in payouts. That's fucking, bro. Okay, then forget about everything else. DCA is the way. I did DCA. I was only in 2 contracts, Bowser. I was only in 2. I was in 2 minis. Yeah. Isaac, yeah, they are. But if you're going to do the same thing when you get them funded, you know what I mean? Your all-in cost is still there if the same shit's going to keep happening. I'm not saying that for you, but for me, at least I'm offsetting my costs now because I'm getting payouts again. At least I have that going for me. Fucking loser. What a fucking loser. Let's fuck this up. Oh. I bet it does go down. Let me get back all my gains. That's right, mother. Oh, you fuck. You fuck. I'll take it. Oh, look at it go now. Oh, whatever. I'll take it. 445. 551.92. Now I need less. Now I need less on Monday. Look at it go though. Fuck. I got another $130. And then it went up. I got out at 525. It went up to fucking 16. It went up, well, 11, 12 points. Oh my God. The problem is with these is they have a 50% consistency rule. Like I'm at the point right here where I get another 100, 551.92 minus 445.96. $106 away from being able to request 25.98 plus 106. $106 away from requesting 1,100. Look at that shit go. What the fuck? There we go. You know what I'm saying? Oh. Look what I got. Yo, it fucking bounced. What are the chances? What are the chances I mark it in and it fucking bounces as soon as I mark it in? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Don't worry, I'll just get more. I'll just get more. What are the fucking chances? Let's see. Which one is this? Quick pay. $60 is cheaper than $90. What are the fucking chances? Did you see that? I literally got in at the perfect spot for it to bounce and go against me. I have the worst luck trading Lucid now. Now it's gonna drop. Now it's gonna fucking drop. The absolute worst fucking luck. That was a nice little 786 rejection. Look at that. Of course, it goes all the way to the 786. Any other time it wouldn't have. 158. It just dropped 77 points. That's fucking crazy. What are the like? Literally, what are the chances? Like nobody, like that wouldn't have happened to anybody else. That would only happen to me. Golf guy Mike. Oh my God, good job, bro. Great job, Mike. Renee Bleh. Rosales, what up? Renee Bleh, I got time to clean it up? I don't know, man. I think this is just this is my new normal. John Q. Every day. Chad, I don't know, bro. Lucid is loving me. Believe it or not, I'm still profitable with them. They are loving me. Because I went on a fucking absolute tear with them. An absolute fucking tear. I got 31 payouts from them. Let's see if I can load that shit up. Payout junction. There we go. Look. A fuck ton of payouts. A fuck ton. Look at all that. Let's see. The last one was on March 16th. What am I missing? Oh, it's there. 614. Let's do this. D1 to D31. $33,000 in $33,382 in payouts from Lucid. I'm nowhere near $33,000 in fucking account expenses. Oh, now it wants to drop. Now it wants to fucking drop. Of course. Yo, why does that happen? Why do I do that? I mean, I was just being stupid, but that's besides the point. Savvy. Olivier. If you're trading minis instead of micros, maybe it should be the other way around, bro. Maybe you shouldn't respect me. Lucid's pushing people to live now after a payout or two. Oh my God, look at this shit. You fucking gotta be fucking kidding me. I got in. Look. It's down 40 points from my fucking entry, but it had to do this first. God. Look at that. The 786 retested again. Fucking piece of shit. This fucking thing sucks. Let's just laugh it off. Let's do it again. Let's blow some more. The My Fund the Futures account is looking good. I just need $106 to get a payout. How hard can it be? How hard can it fucking be? It'll be my second payout of the month. Stop it. Jonathan Trentwell. But like, it's okay if Lucid does it, but when Apex does it, even though you can't even get a live account yet, but when Apex does it, you know, the world is going to end. Oh, is that what it is, Renee? Well, you could only do that if you got to make at least 4 payouts, and you got to do it with the same accounts. Oh, yeah. You know what happens, Renee? Because they make it like, oh, look what was me, poor me, look what they did. And then he says, well, actually, this is why. Yeah, I mean, that's the other thing, too. You got to take everything that people say on social media, especially when they're complaining about a prop firm, with a grain of salt, because you only know their side of the story. Yeah. 50K, hey, 50K is a lot in sim. Like, I might be in that category. Like, I already got 34,000, over 33,000 in payouts. How much more am I gonna get? Even if it's my first or second payout on a group of accounts. How many more am I gonna get? You know what I mean? Before they do the same thing with me. Oh, Alfred, yeah. And then they talk shit about the firm, but like a week ago, it was all good. Just a week ago, they were like, "Oh, this is the best firm. I love trading with these guys." Now they suck because they got pushed alive. Look at Lanto and Brian Stank. Lying Lanto and Brian Stank, both kicked off of Apex. They never said anything bad about Apex before that, and then all of a sudden now Apex is terrible. Yeah, Lucid Live isn't bad. It's just if you blow the account, there's like a cool off period of 30 days. What on Lucid? Spar v Hector. I've done it before. I've done it. I'm not doing it now. I've done it plenty of times. Where is my fucking? Hold on a sec. I've done that. I've gone over my fucking expenses so many fucking times when I do them. File, reopen, close tab. Is that it? No. Where is that fucking spreadsheet? Sheets. There it is. Nah. What up, Timothy Chapo? Do I need to do it every fucking other day for you? For you guys? I don't understand. I can tell you right now. I basically broke even in March. April, I lost money. Probably like 8 to 10 grand. May, I probably lost like 4 or 5 grand because I also got over 4,000 in payouts. June, I'm probably in the red. January and February, I was probably in January and February, I was probably like 70 grand in the fucking 70 grand in profit. If maybe not, maybe more. I did $86,000 in the first 2 months of the year with less than $10,000 worth of fucking account spend. So I'm fucking good. But anyway. Look at this shit. Look at that. That's a 786. But I don't know. Is it going to go up? Fuck. It's probably going to go up. That's why. Oh, fuck. I didn't want to do that in one account. You fucking piece of shit. What could go wrong? What could go wrong? Consider this one blown. Fucking stupid fuck. Fuck it. We'll just leave it. Hey, add $62 to it. I did not want to go in with 4. I just set the group up. So stupid. Yeah, awesome. Now I'll fucking go full port. Now, because I'm fucking annoyed. Is it going to keep going? That was awesome. Nope, not going to get it. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe fuck myself. There we go. Fucking piece of shit. I didn't want to do that with that account. Now look, this is the best part. The 786 held again, but look, what was that, 47? Almost back to my entry. It's probably going to go lower. I need to lose 20 bucks. How hard can it be to lose 20 bucks? Oh, fuck. Yeah, that's good enough. Done. Done with that one. Oh, you can't see? Oh, whoops. Oh, good. Then never mind. It never happened. Look, see? I went to go this one I went short here. I meant to go in with like 2 in each account. But I didn't have the fucking group checked off. And I got in with 4 and I said fuck it. And of course, like right after I blow the accounts, it goes the other way. And then I went in, then I was like annoyed because I'm a degenerate. And I went full fucking port with this one. 5. And I got 9 points. Oh my God. What was it? Oh, MOC. So that's that. Pine Tree. Take Profit Trader is. I wish Logan, what up? My bad on the screen. I wish fucking Take Profit Trader was at 40% off again. They'll probably do it soon, but they're at 30 right now. 30% off and no activation fee. It's not terrible, but 40's better. Yash, yeah, he made $2 million. Yeah, okay. Sure he did. Sure they did. And then they probably extolled the virtues of living in Puerto Rico. This is why you want to play. This is why you want to live in Puerto Rico with your best friend and sleep in the same bed. This fucking shit bounced. This might be the bottom for real, I guess. It probably, yeah, we're not going any lower. 28,974. 200 points. 220 points. I need some fucking coffee. Ian Connor, what up? Did I just say, yo? My bad, guy. My bad on the chart before. My bad. My B. Yeah, they are. The 25K might be the best one that they offer now. I don't know. Well, if you got to do resets, I don't know. Any size account with Take Profit Trader is fine. The easiest one to get a payout on in terms of dollar for dollar and shit like that is the 25K. You got to trade a certain way though, because you only get $1,500 a drawdown. But it's the best funded 25K out there if you think about it, just based on the fact that you get $1,500 a drawdown and the cost and all that shit. The hedge bros, they wash each other's backs. Do they even wash? Dr. Dollar loves you. Oh, he's not here. Coach Fred, what's good? 25K resets, I think, are $79 now. Let me just double check that. Hold up, though. I'm going to double check right now. Right now. I'm going to look right now. Where is it? All right. 25Ks are 79. These are the reset prices. To reset a 25K Take Profit Trader test account. 79 for a 25K, 99 for a 50K, 139 for a 75K, 169 for a 100K, and 199 for a 150K. It makes sense to reset the 25 and 50s all day. Maybe the other ones too, depending on how much you pay. It's a little bit less than what it's going to cost you for the account. But that's what they changed. Look at this drop right here. 194. We just dropped fucking 80 fucking points. Oh! PJ, you just blew your last Apex Legend account? That sucks. Twan on. Stock cards and bets. Oh, yeah. Yeah, no problem, bro. We're doing it live. Fuck it. Nice. Look at that shit. Oh. Remember, I got in short right here. Look. That's the same shit happened. I got in short at the bottom. And it pumps just like the Lucid account. And then we pop and then we drop and we went out. I got in at 27 and went down another fucking 38 points. Oh, but it's okay. I got a new one. You know why? Because fuck them. That's why. $707 bounce here. Adam, what up? Holy Earth. MKC. Oh, is that Miss K? Changing names. Everybody's changing names. Hey, Pine Tree, does anybody ever ask you what your expenses are? I'm just curious. Or is it just fucking me? Clinvale, what up? I'm just curious. Serious question. And then the other question is, do you ever show it? And I'm not calling you out. I'm just curious. Do you ever entertain people on that request? Miss Goody. I don't mind sharing it. The only thing I don't like is people telling me how I should spend my fucking money. Yeah, they did. JK, my Lexus car payment. It's like the only thing I don't owe money on. Yo, imagine owing money on a fucking on a fucking 21-year-old car? A police chase? Tommy, that sounds like fun. What a fucking look. This is the type of volatility you want. The Benjamin SMC guy doesn't pay for any evals? I do. Well, we already talked about this yesterday. I do. Yeah, I have one risk manager, and it's Mikey. Calvin, what up, man? Dude, is this going to bounce here? I think it goes lower. I don't know. I might as well have gone short because look, that's like fucking, dude, that's 40 points from there. I need more coffee. I've been needing more coffee for like an hour. People are taking out 8-year car loans for yeah, because the interest rates are fucking stupid. You used to like be able to go to like a credit union bank and get like 1.9% APR, 1.9% financing. Look at this, I could have went short, but if I would have went short there, it would have bounced. We all know it. Yo, it came for me. Is it gonna keep going? Oh shit. Damn, I didn't get enough. I need more. Uh-oh. Oh, I think I had it. I got too much. You see, guys, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade, aka buy more accounts and then trade them well. I got to lose $45 to make them holla. ZBU, that should be good. Boom. All right, and then some MNQ. The only thing that sucks is I'm cutting into my drawdown. Oh. Damn it. Good enough. It's just moving around too much. When it slows down, I might fuck around some more. Yeah, Alfred, I know. Fortunately, I didn't go too far over. You know what I mean? This was only $20 over. This one went $45 over. Unfortunately, your trading things just froze on you. Uh-oh. Just hit refresh, and then you got to just re-enter it. Coach Fred. My IP address is Puerto Rico. Maximus the Conqueror, what up? Oh my God, yeah, dude, all these cars are like a fucking base, an Eddie Bauer, which is like a base model at this point, is probably like 35 grand, 40 grand. Ms. Goody, M&W. I wonder if less people are on my stream because I streamed earlier. I'm curious if less people got the notification. Locking myself the fuck out of this shit. Boom, boom, boom. Done. I'm just wondering if I hurt myself by streaming earlier, but it was worth it. It was fun. Took a good trade and then just left it alone. Right, chat? Thanks, chat. This shit dropped even more. Look at that. Whoops. Filled that a little too high. All right. Look at this fucking shit just going lower and lower. This is crazy. Wow. Remember, what account that? Where is that? Where did I get? Oh, right here. Remember, I got in that fucking short here at 96, and now look how much further down we are from there. We're down 125 points. Oh my God. Oh, Trump's talking. Is this causing the market to drop? Hold on, I gotta pee. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Oh, look at that bounce. Probably going to go lower now. This is fucking crazy. This is at 351 on a Friday. We dropped from 195 to 856. And we might go lower. What the fuck is going on? We're down over 5%, 5.3%. Shit just won't stop dropping. Full tilt. They're probably going to nuke Iran. Hector, I just did. Stoic, what up? Fufu, what up? I mean, we're not going to have an Asian market until Sunday night. All that hard work down the drain. This is fucking nuts. It just keeps going. Look, it's just going lower and lower and lower. Fucking crazy. AVGO looks bad. $666, yeah. It might. Margin calls for selling. Like, anytime there was like, this isn't like like, look at this. This was a pop, 972. That was a 220 point pop. Like it was, but it looks like it was nothing. We dropped more than that. We dropped 360 fucking points from there. In what? In 20 minutes. Carlos, yeah. Good for him. I'm sure anyone could have fucking followed him into his trade. Did he show the paper trading version on from TradingView? But he executed on his phone, right? He executed on mobile. Yeah. What do you think they're gonna drop it more? Anthony Marquez, what up? You think they're gonna drop it more, or they're gonna fucking bounce it? Dude, it just keeps going lower and lower. Just like that in one day, in one session. Look at the fucking watch. Look at the daily. Here's the daily. We're back to fucking. We're back to May 20th. Wiped out everything between May 20th and yesterday. To sell, yeah, have cash for the IPO, yeah. Fucking crazy. I don't think this is a crash. I mean, we're so fucking overinflated. In March, we were at 23,000. In March, we were at 22,989. Remember that number. 30,800 minus 22,989. 7,800. We went up 34% from March till a couple of days ago. That's ridiculous. 34% in 2 months? Enzo. Yeah. They're rug pulling it. Yeah. They're just like prop firms. It's fucking ridiculous. Fucking crazy. Cody. The Bears are moving to Indiana? Are they going to still call themselves the Chicago Bears? That's fucking crazy. It's fucking crazy. Yo, it's going to go lower. It just keeps going. It just keeps fucking going. That shit is fucking crazy. I don't know what else to say. It just keeps fucking going down. What are we down, like 1,500 points now? Oh, 1,673, guys. 1,673, chat. Shit is fucking crazy. Percent, yeah, bro, it's crazy. Ree, what's good? Mohi. They're dumping this shit, though. They're dumping this shit to Kingdom Come, bro. Desmond. 10 what? Minis or micros? Yeah, Black Magic. Yup. Unless you're fucking swinging. Yeah, I mean, this is what we do. We did need this. Stoic is right. If we want better price action as day traders, right, in trading futures with prop firms, we needed this. You need this shit. Now you have something you can look to the left. Look, we can look to the left now. For fucking, let's see. What day is that? Since like the 22nd of May. Let me Let me get zoomed in a little bit. Look, right here. Since fucking whatever day this is, the 26th of May, you haven't been able to look to the left. And then all of this too. Look, I mean, look. From fucking April 17th until May something, like, you know what I mean? You couldn't look to the left and see, you had nothing to base anything off of because we just kept going higher and higher and higher and higher. Now we actually have something. Maybe it'll keep going down. I can see it coming down around here. 26,844. Or like, 27,8. I don't know. Renee from John Jay, exactly. Oh, there's a fuck ton of room. We could literally come down this far. I mean, this was where from this point on we went up 34% to this all-time high here. We just kept going higher and higher and higher. From there, if I were to draw a fucking fib, right? Like we could drop under 26,000 if it was to fucking just keep going down. We could drop in under 26,000, potentially under 25,000. You think we're really going to go nuclear? Shit is fucking wild. Dice are out. JJ. The 200-day moving average, that's the 200 moving average. Let's see. Here's the 200. The 200 SMA on the daily chart is just under 26,000, which is the 618. It's literally right on the 618 right now. That could change, right? As the days go on, it could go a little higher. It's trending in an upward direction, The 300 is down here by the 786. That's the SMA. But who the fuck knows? Marcos, what up? They lied for 3 months. They lie all the time. They always lie, all of them. What up, Al? What happened? Nothing. Nothing, just a big sell-off. Non-farm payroll spooked the market, I guess, and then we got other shit. Trump was running his mouth about Iran. Iran's talking about it. It sounds like they're going to – it doesn't sound like they're fucking engaging in peace talks. I don't know. Yeah. The market needed this. It really needs to go down more. The one thing I'm not happy about is gold also went down. Hopefully gold. That's the 4-hour. Let me go to the daily. This is gold on the daily. We're right at the 786 basically from this low from March, this wick, the bottom of this wick from March 23rd, and then this high right here on April 17th. We're basically just above the 786 right now. We just missed touching it. I mean, we could go even lower, but I hope not, hex. By the way, if anybody is not yet hanging out in the best community on these prop firm streets, the DCA gang, DGen fam, DGen Treehouse Discord, it's free for now. Here's the link. It's fucking free. FC Mike. Yeah. Tech reviews. What up? Did I crush the shorts? No. Are we going lower? Oh, the bottom's in. I'm just scrolling through the Discord. Oh, we're pumping now. What a fucking pump. Right at 800. It went down to 800 exactly. What are the chances? What are the fucking chances? Now it's up 75 points. Just a tip. TJP, what's good? Hanging out with other streamers, huh? Bro. Travis, what's up, man? What's up, man? This is fucking crazy. Just a casual fucking 76-point bounce after we dropped hundreds of points right before the fucking market closed. Casual chat. Just casual moves here on a fucking Friday afternoon. You know? Totally casual. Nothing to see here. Oh my God. Are we about to go lower? Are we about to go lower? Fuck. Like we just went up, like we just gave back 70% of that move. We went down 50 points, maybe more than 70%. Hold on. I'll let you know. Yeah, just about. Right at the 707. Huh. Lower? We going lower? This is fucking insane. Sorry, I'm just. Oh my God. I'm not even paying attention. I was looking at something in the Discord. What the fuck? This is insane. I haven't seen a day like this in a fucking long time. I don't know if I've ever seen something like this. I mean, I can't say that. I mean, I've seen shit, but man, where it just, you get what you think are going to be like fucking, you know, the bottom's in, and it's really just a fucking relief bounce. Look like the bottom was in. Like this right here, this bounce right here, 95. It's 115 points. All of it, this was 200 plus points. Okay, son. I don't know. TJP. Just get your days in, man. Just get your minimum days in and you'll be okay. How hard can it be? Travis said if he would have let it a short run from the open, he would have been a bajillionaire. It's fucking crazy, bro. This is insane. Some private credit stopped processing withdrawals 24 hours ago. Really? A credit union? Dude, it's just, it doesn't stop. It doesn't fucking stop. Holy fuck. The bottom's in. The bottom's in. Like, look at this candle. 15. That's a 27-point candle at fucking 4:38 p.m. Eastern on a fucking Friday. 28-point candle. That's what she said. Oh, man, this is nuts. Oh. Rick. You think he's going to make a deal with Iran on Sunday? Rushi, yeah. Smart. Hey, that's smart. Smart move. Oh, here it is. The bottom's in. The bottom's in. 35 points we just went up. DGen. It's not handling the speed of what? The market? DS. Oh my God. Man, this is so fucking annoying. Donna, what's up? Yeah. It's crazy. Bought the dip. This can only be Baron or Nancy. Baron's the GOAT. Yo, you gained on the rest and only lost one funded account? That's good. That's good. This is nuts. You fucked up 5 of your funded Lucid accounts. You were $10 away from your 5th payout and you couldn't. Did you blow them? Just ain't right, bro. You got 4 payouts from them. I know, bro. I know it sucks, but man, you got 4 payouts from them, from those accounts. That's awesome. Show the Discord. Yeah. I mean, fuck this guy. This is everybody's favorite fucking harmonic trader. Fat, what is this on? I guess I could fucking find it if I really wanted to. Yeah, but this motherfucker apparently had another account in the fucking Discord. And he posted, I am everywhere. Whatever, you fucking, he's still a fucking jerk off. Even before this, now he's a bigger jerk off. Waste management. Yeah, Travis, yeah. And I kick him the fuck out for being a fucking jerk off. Little crybaby fucking bitch. Stabbing me in the fucking back. Little prick, pretending to be my fucking friend and shit. Fuck you. And then showing no remorse. Not even a private apology. Nothing. Not even you know what? Now I can see where you're coming from. It was in bad taste. I'll delete the post. Fucking loser. Oh, there's your little temporary bounce. We're about to go lower. Look at that shit. Little relief bounce. I mean, it might go higher, but I don't know. The way this shit's been going, it's just going to keep going lower. The janitor uniform. No, he posted while he's hanging out in my Discord, and I let him fucking post all day, every fucking day. For fucking 2 years, acting like he's my boy. I mean, acting like a friend and shit. Never did anything to the guy. He decides to go on Twitter and take a screenshot of my Apex account numbers and say, use me and everybody knew those were my fucking accounts and said affiliates get special privileges. Affiliates, this, that, the other thing. Just talking shit about Apex and their affiliates. How we get special privileges and shit. Didn't even fucking apologize or nothing. Didn't even check with me. I find out from someone else. This guy's fucking literally fucking basically shitting on me. After I let him fucking hang out in my Discord. I never done anything to the guy. Cyberpie, what up? Oh, Bowser, thank you, bro. Thank you, man. Yeah. That's why I was just curious if Pine Tree ever shows his, and he said no. And that's fine. Nobody has to show shit to anyone. But yeah, I appreciate that, Bowser. I do what I can. Page not found? Which one? Knock, knock. What up, man? Jonathan. Yeah, exactly. I got moved to live. I haven't. Just think about, like, without getting into any of the numbers, just think about how much less I'm probably making as an affiliate with Apex because I can't trade Apex. I haven't been able to trade them for 2 fucking months. So no one ever sees me trading an Apex account on any of my streams or anything. I can't even show you what I did. You think that's going to help me or fucking hurt me? Monica, Take Profit Trader is the shit. Oh, you saying my accounts look awesome? Yeah, they do. Take Profit Trader is the shit, though. Kasalisk. Yeah, I bet. Dude, you know what happened, bro? Chad, you know what happened? Yeah, they booted Brian because he was a shady fuck. And the key word is what? It's not was, he still is. That's why they booted him. He was making himself out to be this god of trading when he's no fucking different than a lot of us. You know what I mean? How he trades on his streams is not how he trades behind the scenes when he's off stream. I think that was the biggest issue. But whatever. Maybe they just didn't want to pay him. I think it's a little bit of both. The god at hedging, yeah. But Chad, I think the issue was I went on this fucking crazy run. I went on this crazy run where I did 120 grand in 3 months with very minimal expenses. And instead of just being happy for me, and like I paid off all I finally paid off my Apex tuition. I finally flipped green overall in December. I flipped green overall with everything in December. I paid off all of my Apex tuition, I think in like January. Finally paid it all off and went green on Apex with Apex. And I did 146 grand from October 16th to February 31st. And I spent like fucking what, 20 grand, 25 grand, if that? And instead of just being happy for me and saying like, wow, he came a long way, this, that, and the other thing, he was just fucking super fucking salty about it. And he couldn't help himself. Because I guess maybe he was still struggling. I don't give a fuck what he was doing. Be happy for me. When I'm fucking struggling, when I went through all my shit, before that run happened, the whole time I've been doing this shit publicly. And then the last 2 months, the last 6 weeks, I didn't get a fucking payout. And all these other people in the Discord and on the stream, hanging out in the chat, left and right, getting fucking payouts. Carlos did 19K last month. And then he fucking started this month with like 5K right in the fucking first day of the month. Am I posting being salty about that? I'm fucking super happy for him and anybody else who did well. He couldn't just be fucking happy for me. Had to be a salty little fucking prick. That's the shit that pissed me off more than anything. And then instead of saying he was sorry, he doubled down on his fucking bullshit, fucking backstabbing fucking garbage. Biggest piece of shit. He's more of a piece of shit than fucking Smokey. At least Smokey never fucking pretended to be my fucking friend. He was just a jerk off from the beginning. But anyway, it's old news. It's just funny it's coming up again because he's a fucking scammer. He is a fucking developer or some shit for Hex. What a fucking crazy, what a novel. What are the chances? Anyway, hey guys, give me a number from 1 to 99. We're going to give away a couple of these I'm going to give away a couple of these trade day, the cheap ones, guys. I'm sorry, because, I've been going through a lot of accounts. The 50K fast pay intraday, okay? 1 to 99. One number, one time. Rick. But where's the lie? Where's the fucking lie? Couldn't just be happy for me. Couldn't just be happy for someone. You know how many fucking DMs I got from that guy crying to me about people picking on him in my Discord? Crying. And anytime like something would happen, you'd run to me, to get ahead of whatever fucking bullshit he started. What a fucking piece of shit. Anyway, fuck that guy. I had no problem not talking about him ever again, but apparently this whole Hex thing came out and it's just funny. It's funny. But he's a fucking scumbag. He was a scumbag before that. Now it just confirms what a scumbag he is. Fuck him. Couldn't just be happy for me. Decided to of all the fucking people that are affiliates of Apex and influencers, of all the fucking people to take a screenshot and make use their numbers as an example. Oh, I didn't say your name. Everybody knows those are my fucking numbers. Of all the fucking people, he picked me. You've been hanging out in my Discord pretending to be my friend for 2 fucking years. There's so many other people who have thousands more accounts than me, too. Take a picture of fucking Patrick's. Fuck, man. What a fucking loser. Anyway, sorry, chat. My bad. Got a little fucking excited. Just had to relive that whole fucking moment. That shit really fucking pissed me the fuck off. All right, I'm taking screenshots. One number one time, please, guys. And also, if you win and you don't have Zelle, Cash App, or PayPal, or last resort Venmo, you don't get the account. Okay? So you can't, I'm sorry, because of that, I'm telling you ahead of time, don't fucking hit me up and say, can you do crypto? The answer is no. Okay? Maybe I'll send you some hex. I'm just saying it ahead of time because I don't want to hear it after. Oh, Jay didn't give me my account because he didn't do crypto. If your number comes up and you don't have that, then just be honest and we'll give it to someone else. Thank you. Thank you for your attention to this matter. And it's for trade day accounts only. 50K, fast pay, intraday, okay? The one that's $62. I'm just working through all the numbers, all right, chat? Thanks, chat. Look at this shit. The bottom's in. 81. We just fucking, yo, it's fucking 4:52 on a fucking Friday. We just bounced 70 fucking points. What the fuck is going on? Because you know what? 70 points when you dropped fucking 16, almost 1,700 points. 70 points is nothing. When the fucking range is fucking 1,700 points. 70, what's 70 divided by 1,700? It's 4% of the entire fucking range. That's why it doesn't seem like it's a lot, but it's not. Anyway, my bad. Trading with Travis said, worst kind of friends won't celebrate your wins and then they downplay them. So are they really your fucking friends? I know it's just internet shit, but like when someone's doing well and I'm cool with them, even if I'm not, I'm happy for them. Even fucking jerk offs like fucking rips. I want everybody to do well. Just don't be a fucking scammer and a scumbag about it. That's all. I'm cool with anyone doing well, especially in the DGen fam. Especially in the DGen fam or friends of the DGen fam. You know what I mean? I'm happy for fucking everybody. Because there's plenty of money to go around for all of us. You got to have an abundance mentality in this fucking game. In the game of money, you have to have an abundance mentality or else you won't get any. Scarcity mindset when it comes to money is fucking not good. You want to do the opposite. Even if you got to force it. Like I don't force it because I'm just happy for people who win because I want to win too. I want everybody to win. We all can. But anyway, you see, guys, I'm almost done going through all this shit. Almost done. Remember what I said. Crypto, if you only can accept crypto as a payment plan, as a payment option, because you got to go grab the account with my code and then send me a screenshot of your proof of purchase, and then I pay you back. If you don't have Cash App, Zelle, or PayPal, or Venmo last resort, then there's nothing I can do to help. I mean, then you're, someone else, it's going to be someone else's. Just putting it out there ahead of time. Just walk away. Yeah, scalp, exactly. You love people killing it. Keeps you motivated. Exactly. How are you going to win if you get fucking mad and like, you could get mad, right? But you're not, you could get mad about someone else winning as long as you're not fucking jealous. There's different types of motivation. You could be like, fuck, man. Like, all these people are killing it around me. Like, we all put our pants on the same way for the most part, right? So I should be able to also. So you could get mad about that, but like, don't be fucking like, like, oh, this fucking guy, this, that, it has nothing to do with them why you're not winning if you're not winning. It's all on you. It's all on me. All right. I think I got enough of these. I got it. I'm all caught up, I think. All right. All right. I got you, Fred. 3, 2, 1, good luck. 82. 82. Anybody? Nobody. Clinville, I got you, bro. Nobody. Okay, you got 82? Oh, shit, Kingdom. My bad. Hold on, let me see. Let me just double check that. No. I'm going by your first number. You put first of all, you put in 20 numbers and none of them were fucking 82. Fucking guy. Anyway. 3, 2, 1, good luck. Wait. Fucking guy. 3, 2, 1, good luck. 17. Somebody has to have 17. Somebody. JC. Oh, you came in and sniped that shit. Yo, JC Trades. Digital Nukes. Congratulations. All right, we got one. We're going to do one more. Let me just make sure no one else had 17. Savvy, I got you. I know 17 is a fucking dangerous number. Not quite legal. Now, it's funny you say that. My wife was 17 going on 18 when we started dating. And I was 24. But that was 23 years ago. Obviously, it doesn't matter now. It never mattered then either because 17 was the legal age of consent in New York. And I asked her dad for permission. Anyway, 3, 2, 1, good luck. 87. That's my favorite shit, God. Jay Kelly. Oh, shit. DS. Is that your only number? DS. Who else? Nick Trader. Uh-oh. He just took. Yo. Yo, don't worry. 87 was your first number. I saw you delete the other one. I go by the first number. You're funny, bro. All right. So oh shit. All right, so we got JC, Nick Trader, and DS. 50K intraday fast pay. If you want to get something else that's more money, go ahead. I'm going to send you the money for that. $62.50. Please use my code. My link's in the description below. Let me drop it in. Let me drop my link for the Discord in case you're not in the Discord. You got to send me a DM. Join the Discord. Send me a DM. Here's the fucking link. Anybody who's not a member yet, you're more than welcome to come hang out with us as long as you're not a fucking jerk off, right? I identify as a winner. DS, grab the account, 50K, fast pay, intraday. Use my code 0DayJ. From Trade Day, send me a screenshot of your proof of payment and then how to pay you back. Zelle, Cash App, or Venmo. Cash App, Zelle, Cash App, or PayPal. Venmo is a last resort, please. All right, guys, I got to bounce. Smash the like button. Congratulations to the winners. Hit me up. No rush. You don't have to do it right this. Hit me. What up? You don't have to do it right this second. You could do it later on today, tomorrow, Sunday, whatever. Oh, nice. Hey, JC, if you're creating an account with Trade Day for the first time, make sure it's the same email address as your Rise account. They have to be the same. Your Rise and your Trade Day email account to get into your dashboard has to be the same. So if you already have Rise, make sure you use that email address. If you don't yet have Rise, make sure you use the same email address you set up Trade Day with when you set up Rise, okay? Anyway, I got to bounce. Thank you so much, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, all that good shit. Congrats to the winners. Enjoy your weekend. I'll be on for Power Hour Monday, maybe before that, but definitely for Power Hour on Monday.